In a flash, neon bowls gleam as popcorn coils meet mango glaze for a glittery snack hook. This Snack Hack Streak episode delivers a bold shortcut fusing popcorn, crispy bacon, and tropical mango zing. You need popcorn, pre-cooked bacon, ripe mango, chili salt, plus a microwave-safe brush and a small skillet. Toast the popcorn, crisp the bacon, mix mango with lime, drizzle, then toss for a glossy, sticky finish. Surprise, the bite stays crunchy, sweet, and smoky. Like, subscribe, share your hacks, and comment below.